Hi guys, Steph here. Right, so over this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I was out pen hunting, early start as normal, not too far, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours drive, and we found a few pens. Now, some good, some bad, some ugly, as we always say on these pen hauls. But yeah, I'm finding it more difficult to find the more, if you like, sought after pens, the more rarer pens. Where are they? I don't know. But basically, I'm out there. I can only I can only find what I see. So let's run through them for you. Don't forget, a lot of these are available, subject to restoration. Some don't need restoration. So if there's anything of interest, you know what to do. Get in touch. Right, without further ado, let's go straight for it. Okay, so looks like a Schaefer box. Yep, we've got a Schaefer fountain pen. Is it a cartridge converter? I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think it's a cartridge converter. There you go, it's got a converter with it. Makes a lovely everyday writing pen. So let's put that to one side. On top, yeah, we've got a Schaefer. Ah, no, this one's a nice pen. I'm not 100% sure which one it is. Is it the TRZ or the Fashion? But it comes in this lovely sort of burgundy matte colour. Okay, it's got a lovely nib on it as well. Is it a oh, nothing in there, so it's a cartridge converter fountain pen, but the reason I bought it, it's not so much vintage, but a lovely, lovely colour. So let's pop that to one side as well. To the bottom here, yep, got a Conway Stewart. Ah, now this one's a nice pen. We've got a lovely Conway Stewart 85 in mauve in the original box. Just a little bit of tinkering, that'll make a lovely, lovely pen. A Parker box inside. Oh, there we go. We've got a burgundy Parker Junior, Parker Dufold Junior, and a pencil as well. So that's a nice little set there. Make great everyday writing pens. So, as I said before, anything of interest, get in touch. Right, I don't know what this box is, but there you go. It's not the correct box, but we've got a Waterman set in this lovely sort of green, sort of lacquered, if you like. There you go. So we've got a fountain pen and a roller ball. Lovely condition. Not the original box, but hey ho, doesn't really matter. Now, all right, we've got, as you can see, a Parker pen. Now, in my opinion, this was the icing on the cake for the weekend. And no, I'm not going to show it to you. I'm going to leave you people in suspense. It's a gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. And what we'll do, we will review that pen for you. There you go. DuPont. Okay, so what we've got is a Saint DuPont de Paris. Now this is a ballpoint pen, as you can see there, but in lovely condition. It's got this striped effect here, and the top is plain. And if I just show you the barrel, sorry, the cap imprint says Saint DuPont. It's marked 925, and then I think it says Paris. So 925, it's gold plate on silver. A very nice ballpoint pen. Okay, so a DuPont ballpoint. I'm sure there's people out there that like these DuPont pens. If it's of interest, you know what to do. A Waterman here. All right, here we go. I'm not really too sure what particular model this one is. It's very nice indeed, black lacquered, as you can see there. Okay, it's got the nib with it there. Again, is it a cartridge converter? Nothing inside, but yep, I would say it's cartridge converter, but in very nice condition indeed. Okay, so there we have it. They're the box ones, and then we had these pens here. These are the loose pens. So let's run through them very quickly. There we go. First one to pick up, nice and simple. We've got a Swan, the Swan pen, as you can see there. And I don't know if you can see, maybe on the cap somewhere it says number 200. Slip cap with a number 2 nib. This is I forgot what it's called, where you actually fill a barrel with ink. Oh dear, it's too early in the morning. An eyedropper, that's the word I was looking for, but once we've actually serviced and cleaned that, that'll be a lovely, and it's a rare, well, not rare, but it's now antique. I would say 1920s, but yeah, the Swan pen, number 200. We've got this pen here. There's no clip on it. Is it a Mentmore? Could well be. Okay, some of these pens, oh, look at that, the nib is in a bad state. Some of them, if the price is right, I'll just buy them for spares. And I think that's is that another Mentmore? There we go. The nib looks a little bit better on that pen. Just show you the barrel imprint. So, oh, does it say Stevens? I'm not sure. It's a little bit difficult to read over the camera. Can you guess what it is? Of course you can. We've got another Parker. What would a penhole be if we didn't have a Parker 51? The difference being, this is the rolled silver cap, as you can see there. So a little bit more desirable than the standard 51s. We've got a nice Parker Dufold in green. This is the aerometric filler. I've said it many, many times. These Dufolds are superb everyday writer pens. We've got a Conway Stewart Burgundy. This is a number 12. Little bit on the tired side, but that'll come up very nicely indeed. There we go. You people will know I'm quite partial to these Yard of Lead pencils. So when they come up, if the price is right, I will purchase them. So a lovely Yard of Lead. As you can see, in nice condition. We've got another Parker Dufold. I think this may be the Slim Fold model. Little bit of a bend to the nib. Again, great everyday writers. There we go. A lovely sort of green and black marbled Wyvern. Okay, not 100% sure what model it is without looking. It's got the original nib. I'm sure we'll do something with that because they are very nice pens indeed. A Parker. Not sure what this is. Is it a vacuum? Oh, looks like a vacuumatic nib. All right, so I didn't know I had this. Oh yeah, look, a vacuumatic. The late version with the plastic plunger. So I'm sure we'll be able to do something with that one as well. There we go, nice interesting pen. Unfortunately, there's no maker's mark on the pen. It's got a steel nib. It's got this ink view window here. Okay, I'd assume, I've seen these before, that it's a German made pen, and it's a piston filler. Okay, so what we do, we simply turn the knob to the end there. Whether it's working or not 100% sure, but yeah, a nice little example. It's got this sort of engine turn pattern to it. Just needs a little bit of attention. Okay, there we go. Another Mentmore. This is the small Celeste in this green marbling. Okay, we've got the, is it the original nib? Once again, I can't see. So another pen here, no cap to it. So I thought, okay, yeah, we can use that nib. I think it's, is it a Mentmore again? I'm not quite sure. But yeah, you know, we're always looking for nibs for pens that have got broken nibs. We've got another Conway Stewart, this blue one. This one has a slip cap. It's a slightly later Conway Stewart pen. Okay, but once again, once serviced, it'll make a lovely user pen. There we go. Is that a Parker Senior, is it? Does it have a, let me have a look at the parallel print. You can see that a little bit clearer than I can. But a Parker Dufold, made in England. It's got a lovely nib. I can't quite see if it says 35, but yeah, just by the size of it, it looks like a Senior. Another Conway Stewart. This is an 84. Nice nib, nice colour. Just needs a servicing. Once again, another Parker. This one I think is, there we go, lovely clear imprint Parker. Does it say Dufold? Just needs a little bit of cleaning up. Okay. It's got a broken jewel to the top there, so we'd need to find a jewel. And then we've got this nice Schaefer Ladies fountain pen, 14 karat gold nib. These, I believe, are a cartridge converter fountain pen. And then also, I just kept them in the same bag. We've got these, I think these 9 pens here. I purchased as a job lot, another Parker. There we go. This one needs a little bit of attention. Let's pop it back in the bag. There we go. Another, is it a Parker? But unfortunately, look at that, it's taped up. Oh dear. So it's got a nice nib on it, I think. So hopefully we can salvage the nib on the pen. Yeah, say no more. Parker 51. It came, I bought these just, I think there were 9 pens as a job lot, so I had to buy them as they were. Another Parker Dufold. Nib looks okay. Yeah, it's the, is it the aerometric? Oh no, it's the AF, the aluminium filler. But even though it's in a tired state as it is there, once we do a little bit of work on it, it will come up absolutely lovely. There we go, we've got a double jewel Parker once again with a nib there. And this one is also, there you go, it's a button filler. So again, they need a little bit of attention. So this lot, as you can see, had quite a few Parkers. There's another AF. Does it have the correct nib? Looks like it has. A little bit of a bend, not a problem. But once again with these pens, although these look a bit tired, once they're restored, serviced, they do make, I keep repeating myself on all the pen hauls, they do make superb everyday writer pens. So we've got this pen here. Is it a Swan? Can't quite remember. Let me have a look. Yeah, a Swan self-filler. There you go. It's got a nice nib to it. Unfortunately, look at that. So what do we do with a pen like that? We wait until we find another cap. I don't know. Use it as spares. I don't know. This one is, I think this could be, is it a Waterman's? Yeah, a Waterman's. It looks like a 52 with an accommodation clip on it. Okay, so it's got a nice nib to it there. So, yeah, it may be the Waterman 52. And I know there's people that like the 52s because they are, once again, great writers. And last but not least, Conway Stewart. Looks like a 388. Okay, so as I said, I bought them 9 pens just literally as a job lot altogether. So sometimes you have to buy the rubbish with the good. That's the way it goes. And there we have it. That's the lot. That's my weekend travels, my pen haul. As we said, anything of interest, you know what to do. Get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the videos a thumbs up. And leave a comment. Don't be shy. But for now, Slavo Kriyini from me and all these pens. Bye-bye for now.